In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade crude oil in MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5 like you usually would. Then from here, it should bring something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the left-hand side where it says Market Watch. And then from here, you'll maybe find it under Oil K right here. And if you don't see it, you'll need to go down to this little plus icon and then click where it says 15 out of 9,220 and double click on it. From here, you'll need to go up to specification and click in or type crude oil like so. From here, you'll see oil K and then you'll just need to click on it and click show symbol and then OK like so. From here, you'll need to go down and trade crude oil. And to do that, you'll need to go down to the trading tab down here and click with your right hand and click new order. You can also click F9 on your keyboard, but from here you'll need to go up to symbols, and then from here you'll need to find under Nasdaq, ETF, and Oil K like so, and double click on it. From here you can add in the volume, you can add the stop loss, take profit, fill policy, and you can add a comment if you want to do that. From here you can click buy or sell, and then the trade will go through. And that's how you do it. If you have questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!